Okay, so this is a quick video. Excuse me. This is a quick video that's going to go through simplifying something in the form of this. We're going to see this quite a bit in section 1.4, but it is first introduced in section 1.3. So first of all, your first step, always your first step, is if you have just square root of a negative number, get that negative out of the square root by converting it to an I. So negative 20 plus I times the square root of 50 over 60. And then now at this point, we have an I. We're going to have to split it up and write it in the A plus BI form. So we might as well go ahead and split this fraction up at this point as well. That way we're not tempted to cancel something out that doesn't quite cancel just yet. So put your first term over your denominator plus your imaginary part over your denominator. And it doesn't matter whether the I is outside, out front, as long as it's in this term right here. And then now we just want to reduce it. So negative 20 over 60 will reduce. They're both divisible by 20. Divide the top and bottom by 20 and we get negative 1/3. Now in this one we've got a square root. Now 50 is not a perfect square, but there is a perfect square that goes into 50. 50 is the same thing as 25 times 2, where 25 is a perfect square. And then now we can simplify that. Square root of 25 is 5, and then the 2 is still underneath the radical. And then now we can reduce the second fraction. We can't reduce anything unless they're either both inside the radical or both outside the radical. So now we have 5 and 60 have a common factor of 5. If we divide that out, that's going to leave us with just the square root of 2 in the numerator, and then 60 divided by 5 is 12 in the denominator. Now again, we cannot simplify the square root of 2 over 12 because we've got that 2 under the radical, the 12 is not. So that right there would be your answer. I hope this helps.